Hello guys, well there are many times that we need to use our passwords inside GitHub Actions and GitHub workflows, and we need to secure them. So only we can see them and we can use them, but no one else in the world, even if your repository is public, should not have access to those tokens and passwords. What should we do? The thing that we should do is to go to settings and go to uh, secrets and variables, go to action sections for example, and here we can define our environment variables and repository secrets. For example, I can create a new repository secret and I name it something like my uh, password, and I can type whatever I want, something like this, something random, and I click add secret. By this, a new environment variable is added to my repository. I can use it very simple. I can go to the workflow for my repository, and it can be whatever you want. For example, this is a simple workflow that runs some Python script. I can simply add an env section in the middle of my YAML file for the action workflow, and inside that I write the name of my variable. For example, it was my password, and it was equal to, we write a dollar sign, two curly braces open and close, and inside that we write secrets dot my password. So in this way it knows that it should read my password from the previous section from where we defined it, and now we can simply use it inside our Python code. For example, in Python the syntax is something like this: we import OS, and after that we can write for example, my token is equal to OS dot environ, and inside the brackets we write the variable name, my password. So it reads my password from previous sections, and now it is usable inside your Python code as a variable. The same routine works for another programming languages. You should just simply search and find out what is the different command for another languages. Alright, thank you for watching my video. This was Arash. See you next time.